Hello! In this video we will be going over how to solve absolute value equations. To start, let's understand what an absolute value is. It's something's distance away from zero, or an easier way to say that is if you take the absolute value of a negative number, you get the positive version. Because negative 8, if we look on the number line, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 away from 0. So, let's say we had something like the absolute value of x equals 7. Knowing this, we say that the value inside of the absolute value ticks is equal to plus or minus the other side. So x equals 7 and x equals negative 7. And we can show this to be true. If we plug negative 7 into here, negative 7, the absolute value of it is 7. Same with 7, because 7 is 7 steps away from 0. So let's make that a little bit more complex. Let's say we had 2x minus 5 equals 21. Well, like I said, we'll take what's inside the absolute value ticks and set it equal to positive or negative the other side. So we have 2x minus 5 equals both 21 and negative 21. And then we solve from there. 2x, we can add 6 to both sides. 2x equals 26. X equals 13 if we divide both sides by 2. And we can do this one as well. If we add 5 to both sides, we get 2x equals negative 16. If we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals negative 8. Both of these are valid answers. And we can plug them back in to check that we're right. So if we start with our 2x minus 5 equals 21, but we substitute in 13 for x, well, 2 times 13 is 26 minus 5 is 21. 26 minus 5 is 21. The absolute value of 21 is 21. We can plug it in over here as well. The absolute value of 2 times negative 8 minus 5 equals 21. So 2 times negative 8 is negative 16 minus 5 equals 21. Negative 21 equals 21. And there you have it. So that is how to solve absolute value equations. However, let's add one more degree of complexity on top of it. Let's say you had 2x minus 5, the absolute value of it, plus, and let's give plus 3, equals 24. Well, this is 1 degree away from being exactly what we were looking at last time, except this 3 can't be here. Because how do we solve this? Well, we take the absolute value, or we take what's inside the absolute value tick marks and set it equal to positive or negative the other side. However, the absolute value is not the only thing on this side, so that wouldn't be accurate. So let's move this over to the other side and we get our last equation. We subtract 3 from both sides, we get 21. And then we can solve from there. So that's how you solve absolute value equations. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching.